Year 12 PPE question 12. An advertising agency is monitoring the number of views, V, given by this formula of an advert that's been aired. Now, we've got to first of all show that V equals AB to the T and find the values of A and B. Okay, and we got to show this, and it's worth 4 marks. So we've got to carefully do that step by step. So the first thing I would do here is sort of invert the log rule and say that V must therefore equal 10 raised to the power of the right hand side. So just be very clear when you write this down. So V is 10 to the power of 0.072 T, okay, plus 2.379. Okay, so all of that is a power. Now you don't need to put brackets around that, but you do need to make sure it's all raised up well above the 10 like that. Okay, and that in turn can be adjusted using the rules of indices, okay, to give you 2 separate powers of 10, 10 to the power of 2.379, okay, and that's multiplied by 10 to the power of 0.072t, okay, and I put them in that order because that will be our A, B to the T, which is going to be equal to A times B to the T. Okay, so it's very easy to establish that A is the first part here, 10 to the power of 2.379, and B is 10 to the power of 0.072. So basically put those in the calculator and we get that A equals 239 to 3 significant figures, which is what, well, it asks for it to the nearest whole number, which is 239, and B to 3 significant figures comes to 1.18. Okay, and they're the numbers they would expect us to use in the rest of the calculation. So that was an easy couple of marks, or 4 marks to start with. Okay, and then we go on to part B, which is about interpreting what the value of AB is. Well, AB is equal to AB to the power of 1, okay, and the power is the number of days after it goes live. So this AB represents the number of views 1 day after going live. Okay, it's only 1 mark, but you just need to understand what it means. Number of views, okay, 1 day after going live. Okay, so you don't need to write a lot, just a short statement like that. Okay, now part C, okay, for 2 marks, simply requires you to use your values of A and B and find the number of views after 20 days. So you've just got to put V equals 239, okay, and that's got to be multiplied by 1.18 to the power of 20. Okay, and you just have to put that in the calculator. It comes to 6547. They only want its 2 significant figures, so that's equal to 6,500 views to 2 significant figures. Okay, and that's it. Question done. So that question is really quite straightforward for 7 marks. Okay, and that's it.